Our discussion is number of common factors. Given two integers a and b, so return the number of common factors of a and b. So x is a common factor of a and b if x divided by both a and b, right? So in this one, it's pretty straightforward. A equal to 12, b equal to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the common factor, and this is count of 4, right? And this one 25, 30, 1 and 5. So this should be 2. So it should be simple enough. So I'm gonna create my return value result equal to 1 by default, because I don't actually need to recount every single time for 1, right? So I can start it from 2 and then all the way to the minimum number in between. So if you see this, right, a and b, so the minimum number is 6, right? The common factor you can go is from 1 to 6, and this is from 1 to 25, right? So but how do you know like a and b which one is smallest, right? So if a greater than a, if a greater than b, right, I'm going to just reverse. I'm going to reverse return and then ba, right? So I will assume, I will now assign a is the smallest one and b is the largest number, right? And I can just traverse I equal to 2, I less than equal to a, I plus plus, right? So you know a is the smallest, and then we just have to traverse until to a, right? So and I can say a mod by I is equal to 0, and also b mod by I is equal to 0. And I will increment my counter, and this is going to be pretty much a solution. So let me run it and then submit. So what's the time and space for this one? This is a space constant, and this is going to be a time. So the time is going to be all of a, right? It depending on the number of a, right? If a is the smallest value, because a can be goes to 1000, right? So it's going to be 2 to 1000, but it depends. It could be smaller, but I will assume this is constant. So this is the solution. So I will see you next time. Bye.